The Tortoise and the Hare. There once was a hare who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, the tortoise challenged the hare to a race. All the animals in the forest gathered to watch the race. The hare set off and ran down the road, but within seconds paused for a rest. How do you expect to win this race when you are walking along at your slow pace? He cried out to the tortoise. The hare, thinking that there was plenty of time to relax, stretched himself out below a tree and fell asleep. The tortoise walked and walked. He didn't stop until he got to the finish line. The animals cheered loudly for the tortoise and woke up the hare. Hooray! The hare got up after having a stretch and yawn and set off running again. It was too late. The tortoise was already at the finish line. So after that, the hare always reminded himself, don't brag about your lightning pace, for slow and steady won the race. The end.